Hello and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast, and something a little bit different on the channel this week. I've been on a cruise to Norway, and while I was there I visited the city of Trondheim. So obviously I wanted to see what the railway station had to offer. The railway station is very near the cruise port and runs from north to south. It has quite an extensive goods yard attached to it. However, if you move slightly to the south, the station at Marienborg seems to have an even bigger depot. To get to the railway station from the cruise port, I had to walk over this overpass, which gives you an excellent view over the goods yard. It seems to house mainly intermodal wagons. At time of filming in 2022, the area is being modernised as a transport hub. Going down to the actual main station itself, the modern building is right next to the older building. The original building seemed to be undergoing some extensive refurbishment works. Inside the building is very pleasant indeed, with plenty of shops and a cafe, plus toilets and a booking office. There are many entrances to the platforms here. I chose to take the underpass. As we move up the stairs onto the platform, I will tell you a little bit of history. A station on this site opened in 1882. An older site served a narrow gauge railway, but it closed as a station in the late 1980s, but still stands today as a synagogue. This station here though was built to serve the Merca line, which crossed over into Sweden. This building is still standing and undergoing renovation work when I visited in 2022. It can be noted that there were two buildings on this site, the other one being a very large cargo building. The station building was rebuilt in 1913 together with a port. This enabled far more freight to be transported. However, most of this will eventually be processed at the much larger facility at Marienborg, a couple of miles south. This also coincided with trains to Oslo. However, these would not run until 1921. Apart from a third floor addition to the building in the 1950s, not much happened until the late 1990s when the new modern glass building was erected. Plans to further modernise the station are in the works, but have been put back due to the global pandemic. On the station platforms you will find extensive information boards and some very nice waiting areas. These were fully air conditioned and give you a good view of the station while you're waiting for your train. There are plenty of luggage trolleys, and the information boards are very clear with notices in Norwegian and English. There are also extensive recycling stations on the platform. Here is a Class 92 which is used for commuter travel. Stadler FLIRT models are being introduced on this route. This particular model is a Class 73 intercity train. The goods yard utilises Class 226 shunters. Whilst I was here, I was lucky enough to see a freight movement. Here is a Stadler Euro 4000 in CargoNet livery, shunting and then eventually departing on the line southbound. Trondheim has a clean and modern station, and I enjoyed my time here. Of course, the scenery here makes a stay absolutely fantastic, but the amount of rolling stock you also see also makes a visit well worthwhile. The station is very clean and welcoming, and there was no graffiti around. All the station signage is clear for the traveller, and all the staff were very helpful indeed. Of course, the addition of seeing the shunting freight also made this a fantastic experience. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.